We live in an interconnected world and communicate with the people around the globe over internet. And sometimes we want privacy while doing so, but we actually cannot have it. As if our network service providers wish they can watch our every activity. To tackle this problem on a limited scale, we can set up our own wireless network with our own frequency. This can be achieved by a small but powerful piece of tech called LoRa module. So now one problem is solved. We eliminated the service providers, but still there is a problem. The radio waves are not meant for point to point communication. So anyone who knows on which frequency we are operating can see our messages. To solve this issue, we use cipher texts. We will encrypt messages before airing them and decrypt them after receiving. So anyone can tap into our network and try to see our messages. But the person having the decryption key can only understand the meaning of the messages. So this is what our project looks like. This is the sender interface, and this is the sender module, and which is wirelessly connected to the receiver module of same frequency, and which is wirelessly connected to the receiver interface. First, the transmitter interface prompts the user whether you want to change the encryption decryption key or not. If you press N, it will use the default encryption key, that is Mission XP. Now you, the sender, knows the encryption decryption key, so give this key to anyone to whom you want to send messages. After the receiver enters the decryption key, he/she is ready to receive messages by you. So anyone who tries to piggyback onto your network cannot decipher what you want to communicate with the true receiver.